Good day, everyone. Learn how to add Gmail account on iPhone. So to add the Gmail account in iPhone, we need to look for the Mail app. So either you can look for the Mail app or simply go to the app library and search for Mail and click on Open. And here you will find iCloud, Microsoft Exchange. So since it's a Gmail, we will click on Google, and then it will ask you to enter the password. So enter the email. So I'll mention the email tech at the rate gmail is not required. You can enter it is up to you. And then it will ask you to enter the password, which I'm gonna enter. And I'll hit it, click on next. I'm sorry, I've forgotten the password. Let me just do it again. So once I have entered the password, it will ask you to click on continue. Then you can simply select all and then click on continue. And you will have the mail. If you want to sync the contacts and calendars as well, you can select that. If you want, you can get the notes as well. And I'll click on save and it says account is added. So this is how you can see it's downloading the messages and it is configured. So this is how you can configure Gmail account on iPhone. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.